Hey everyone! So you've got your SRT file with accurate captions. Awesome! In this video, I'll walk you through how to upload it to YouTube so your video has perfectly timed subtitles. Let's get started. On your YouTube channel, look to the left-hand menu and click on Content. Find the video you want to add captions to and click the pencil icon labeled Details. In the left sidebar, click on Subtitles. Now, you'll probably see YouTube's auto-generated captions, but we want to upload our accurate ones instead. Click Add Language and select your language. I'll choose English, United States, to keep things precise. Under the Subtitles section, click Add. Then click Upload File and choose with timing. This step is crucial. It ensures your subtitles appear at the right times. Locate your SRT file on your computer and click Open. You'll now see a preview window. This is your chance to check that everything looks right. Hit play to confirm the timing and captions are syncing well. Once you're happy with it, click Publish at the top right. And that's it. Your captions are now live. You can double-check by going back to your video and clicking the CC icon in the bottom right corner of the video player. I hope this helped. If it did, please give the video a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.